Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Today's video is on an important topic, that is exam location dilemma. So the council has sent a circular to all the school principals about the SEM 1 exam location, that is from school or home, and the news is published on a site on Google, so that is we are going to discuss it here. So school or home location dilemma for ICSE, ISC semester exams. Now as you know, your SEM 1 exams will begin on November 15. So the location dilemma news is published on 7/10/21 at 7:20 am. The council has said in a circular to the schools, it may be noted that the candidates can take these examinations either from school or from home, while the preference would be to take the examination from the school, with the parents' consent being mandatory. The examination could also be taken from the candidate's home. Okay, so the choice is offered to the student, so whether they can take the exam from the school or from home. But if they want to take the exam from school, then the parents' consent is mandatory. Okay, and the preference should be given to take the exam from the school. So here the word preference has added to the confusion. Now here Gary Arathon, he is the chief of CISE. He is saying that we have given the choice to parents and they have to decide whichever they are comfortable with. So that is the statement given by Gary Arathon. Now several schools said that they would send notices to the parents to find out their choice. Some schools said that they would it will be difficult to create provisions for devices or internet connectivity if large number of students opt to write the exam from the school. That will be difficult for the school then. Okay, so a choice of location would mean two setting for the one exam. So some schools said that ideally exam conditions should be uniform and a choice should not be given. So this is the circular sent late on Tuesday. The council has asked heads of school to inform them of each candidate's choice of school or home and what device they will take to the exam on: laptop, desktop, tablet or smartphone by October 18. So the school has to inform to the council about the student's choice, whether he is giving exam from the school or from home, and what device they are going to give the exam by October 18. The selected device should have a camera and a microphone, right? So since the council has given both options, we will ask parents their preference. Even if the students choose to come to school, the invigilance will be done online, it is said by one of the principal. If a large number of students want to appear from school, it will be difficult to provide that many devices. So we would ask them to bring their devices and we can provide our broadband connection. It is said by a principal of another school. So there are different options now. The council has also asked heads to nominate teachers from their schools as proctors, buffer proctors and IT support executives. The ratio of proctors to candidates is 1:25. The council said this. Okay, so what I would like to suggest, that those students who have good internet speed and good devices and facilities, for them it would be better to give exam from home, so that others who don't have that facility can go to the school and attend the exam. And last but not the least, please prepare the chapters well with all the formulas and the content, and try to score full marks in SEM 1 or as many marks as you can in SEM 1, and all the best to all of you.